introduction.
What is your name, sir?
I'm Jerome Sanchez, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education in CIC.
Are you a registered voter?
Yes,
Are you familiar in automation of our 2010 election?
yes, as I watch TV, and as far as I know, automation of election uses the computers in the voting system, and it also uses computers in counting the votes. And the PICOS machine is Smartmatic.
Sir, do you think it is good? And why?
Automation of election has disadvantages and disadvantages. First, the advantages are the voting was made easy for the people, and the counting of votes will be easier too, and the election return will be easier too, because as I watch TV, the number of votes uses the network to send in the COMELEC main office. The disadvantages are there's so many happening inside the computer. It has virus, it has power failure, the technical problem, most especially nowadays that there's a jamming device that can shut down all the network signals. So there will be a conflict in sending the votes that can use the network in the COMELEC main office.
Sir,